Oh, hi, I was just playing my violin, but I'll stop now. We just moved into this apartment, but I kind of feel like we forgot something, or that something's wrong. Hey Liam, I feel like something's missing. Do you think you know what? I would have to think. I think I know. I think we forgot our cat. We forgot our cat. I have to hurry and quick get it. Oh my gosh, I hope Charcoal is okay. I need to go and get her. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and get her now. I miss her so much. Oh, hi Olivia, I was just thinking about you. Why are you here? I think I forgot my cat here. Charcoal? You forgot Charcoal? I think I did see her over there a few minutes ago. Yeah, let me just go get her. Sorry, Charcoal. Meow! I'm sorry, Charcoal, but let me just go get your things. Bye, Amelia. I'm gonna go now. It was nice seeing you again. Bye-bye. Okay, now me and Charcoal are gonna go to the pet store. Hi. Hi. Do you need anything? Nope, not right now. Okay, I'm gonna go get pet food because I don't have any of that. And I'm gonna go get Charcoal some toys. Come on, Charcoal. Charcoal really liked this bell, so I'm gonna get it for her. Okay, now we're gonna go and get a pet bed because I don't have a pet bed right now. We already have the litter box and the water bowl. So I'm just gonna get a brush to brush her and the pet bed. Okay, now Charcoal, I'm gonna go pay. Hello, did you find everything? Yep. Okay, I'll just scan these. Okay, thank you. Okay, is that everything? Uh-huh. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, we finally just got home. It was a long drive back. But now I'm gonna go get Charcoal stuff all set up at our house. Oh, you're back, Olivia? And you found Charcoal? I was just making a smoothie. Yeah, I got Charcoal back and we got some extra things for her too. Oh, that's great. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna go and pack everything for Charcoal, and she's just looking around and sniffing everything because this place is new to her. First, I'm just gonna put her pet bed right there. Actually, I'm gonna put it on this bed so it's more comfortable. And now I'm gonna put her food away. Now I'm just gonna put her brush away. Now I'm just gonna put her litter box and food bowl on the ground and put my bag away. I'm gonna go see what Liam is doing now. Hi Liam, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just making my smoothie. I just finished it actually. I'm gonna try it now. It looks delicious. I'm just keep on studying. Okay, I'm gonna go play with Charcoal. Hi, Charcoal. Meow, meow. Now I'm just gonna go and work on my laptop. It's getting late. Do you want to make dinner? I think I'm just gonna order. Is that okay? Yep, that's fine. I'll order some pizza for us. Okay, it should be here soon now. Okay.
Okay, time to deliver this pizza.
Oh, I think the pizza's here. Let me go get it.
Hi. I have your pizza.
Oh, yay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Liam, I got our pizza. Let me just give you yours and mine. Okay, now we are gonna eat it. This is so good. Yeah, it is really good. Okay, then we just finished our pizza and now I'm gonna go get ready for bed. What are you gonna do, Liam? Oh, I'm just gonna sit here. Oh, okay. Oh, I almost forgot. I have to feed Charcoal. Right after that, I'm gonna get ready. I just need to feed her real fast because she needs dinner too. Okay, now I'm gonna get ready. So first I'm gonna start off with a nice warm bath. Ooh, this is a really nice bath. Okay, now I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna put my robe on and I'm gonna brush my hair. Okay, then after that, I just put on my pajamas for tonight. Now I'm just putting my clothes in the dirty bin and I'm filling up water for Charcoal to drink so she's hydrated. And now I'm just gonna go to bed because I'm really tired. Good night. Okay, now I'm just gonna get into my pajamas and I'm going to go to bed too. Bye guys, that's all for today.